So I'm going to do a quick little video today on this. This is one of these little voltage detection sticks. Now Zoyi sent this to me. I didn't request it, they just sent it to me. Just, here you go, have this thing. It's going to be like 3 things for Christmas, I guess. And this is one of the things that arrived. And normally I'm not too interested in these kinds of things. I was like, oh yeah, okay, it just detects voltage. Because of that, I wasn't really going to bother doing a video on this. But I've actually just tried using it. I'm actually, okay, I think it's worth a video. This is the ZT-DB03. I know, is that the models in the range or what? I don't know, maybe I've only got one. I honestly have no idea. But anyway, I put some batteries in it. Quick look at the manual first and we'll get stuck into it and why I think it's worth looking at. Do a couple of pages at a time. Read it in your own time. I'm not going to read it to you. It's a pretty simple thing. Doesn't require much explanation. Okay. Hope you read all that. I haven't. Anyway, power button. Turn it on. It's got a little display. Displays temperature, interestingly. Now I'm not sure where it senses temperature. I guess it's the body, and I don't know. I'm not sure why the temperature is necessary, but okay. Maybe it does have a use in certain situations. Leave it plugged into a power point, see if it gets warm. I don't know. So we've got these buttons here: degrees C and degrees Fahrenheit, and also that's obviously you hold them. And then you've got this one here, which is adjusting something. Now this something is actually the sensitivity, which is why I thought I'd do a video on this. So I've got a power cable over here, 240 volts going into this, and sensitivity is currently on 1, lowest sensitivity. Alright, so even at low sensitivity it's still detecting it, you know, distance away from the plug, for the wire, you know, a little bit of distance away from the wire, okay? Not too bad. Now I've got this other one, I've had this one for years. You can see I've had it for years, I've had it for a long time. This is a Digitech thing. I thought I had a fluke one, but I can't seem to find it. I thought I had one. Anyway, this one, look how close I have to get, like nothing there. And like to the plug, I have to basically shove the thing in there to get it to sense. So, this one at its lowest sensitivity is beating this one. Now, when it comes to these things, what you need to know is if there's any power there. Generally, you're just checking, is it safe to go anywhere near it, this kind of thing. So having something which barely detects it isn't good. But look at this one. Now turned up to maximum sensitivity. At distance on a wire. And from the plug. Right. Loads of distance on that. So the fact that it's that sensitive is really good. Now I think it's also got a torch in there or something. Here you go, hold it down. There's like a little LED light on it. I don't know, maybe useful. And then you've got centigrade and Fahrenheit switching for that little display there. So simple device, but the fact that it's got such good sensitivity compared to this other thing I've been using in the past. I haven't used it much, but I've used it a few times. I thought that warranted a video. So check out the links down below. I'll go and link to that. Maybe go and buy one. I don't know how expensive they are. I expect they're not expensive. Probably fairly cheap. So thanks Zoyi for sending that to me. And yeah, hope you found it interesting. Catch you later.